I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song.
Just got off the bus. Time to start hiking.
Here we go.
Happy 4th of July from Switzerland. yesterday we started all the way down there, come up all the way here, around, all the way to the fort right over there, and now we've come up here. How we doing, Lauren?
It's so sketchy.
Coming in hot! Oh my god, that was awesome!
It's been a long time coming since I seen your face. I've been everywhere and back, trying to replace everything that I had till my feet went numb, praying like a fool.
This doesn't look very straight this morning. There we go.
Woohoo! Day 6.
Day
It
6.
is day 6, right?
I think it's day 6.
Going to a hotel.
Yes.
Wait.
Well, you wouldn't believe it, but we just walked through a crazy thunderstorm, and it was pretty scary.
Freezing cold rain.
Cold rain, and now it's beautiful again. So we've come up all the way from down there where those people are, somewhere down there. Climbed all the way up this. And we've made it to the ladders.
Almost there.
Yep. Lauren's got the first one here. now.
I'm feeling better ever since you know me. I was a lonely soul, but that's the only. A little wiser now from what you show me. Hey, I feel again.
Day 7 update. We've made it to our stop. We decided to take the bus today, but we did go on a beautiful hike to an unbelievable blue lake. And we got to the hotel, and we've been surprised with an upgrade for this. That's Lauren. Check this out. She told us because no one was here tonight, we get to have this unbelievable room. Not a bad balcony either. So scary. Tell you to run all the way, nobody say, nobody on. Well, pick me up with golden hand. Me say, me tell you to run all the way, nobody say, nobody on. Well, I would like to hold my little hand. I will cry, I will cry. I would like to hold my little hand. I will cry, I will cry. Send me in my way, 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 send me in my way. me tell you to run. Nobody say nobody on. Come pick me up where gold and hurt. Me say, me tell you to run. Nobody say nobody on. Well, I would like to hold my little one. Happy bell, happy bell, cowbell. I would like to hold my little hand. Happy bell, happy bell, cowbell. See me in my way, 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 see me in my way. Reach out my hand, oh me say, oh me tell you to run.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming stone, and I feel heavy.
Lauren saying bonjour to the cows. Go. Yeah, you want me to go? Jesus.
And I will wait for you.
Oh, it's so cold!
Now in some way, shape the excess. 'Cause I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. Now I'll be bold as well as strong, and use my head alongside my heart. So tame my flesh and fix my eyes. I tear their
Hello. Can we get a ride down?
down, wait for now. I'll kneel down, know my ground.
are against us. Do you remember when we could see the color of sunlight, the color of laughter, the color of love, the color of water in the summer so plenty is pouring all over us. The color of sunlight rising up like an ocean and pouring all over us. It's pouring all over us. Do you remember when we would scream out loud, come out and get me, there's a river to drown in, come out and play, the color of water rising up like an ocean, pouring all over us. We could be heroes, making love in the backseat. It's the summer of love, the color of water and the color of sunlight is pouring all over us. Summer of love, pouring all over us.
If you love somebody, better tell them why they're here, 'cause they just may run away from you. You'll never know quite when, well, then again it just depends on how long your time is left for you. I've had the highest mountains, I've had the deepest river. You can have it all, but now keep moving. I'll take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh? Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. I've tried to cut these corners, tried to take the easy way out. I kept on falling short of something. I could've gave up then, but then again I couldn't have, 'cause I've traveled all this way for something. I take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh? Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh?